Hello everyone, in this video I will show you website builder in Beehivv. First, open your web browser and go to beehivv.com. On the homepage, find and click on the website builder option. You will be presented with different pages to customize. Start by selecting the sign up page from the core options. Alternatively, you can choose to edit the homepage if you prefer. Once you have selected a page, go to the page specific settings. Here you can enter the meta title and meta description. These details are important for SEO as they help search engines understand what your page is about. After entering the meta information, click on Save. Then next, navigate to Style. This is where you can define your overall look and feel. Start by selecting global colors. Set your primary color here. Choose a color that aligns with your brand. Once you have set the primary color, go back and check radius and shadow. Select border radius to define how rounded the corners of your elements. Then choose shadow to get depth and dimension. After adjusting the radius and shadow, go back and click on logo and identity. Here, upload your logo. This logo will appear in the navigation bar, giving your website a professional and branded look. Next, go to typography section to customize your fonts. You can select different font styles and sizes to ensure your text is readable and appealing. Once you've set typography, return to global navigation. In this section, you can configure the top navigation bar and the styles for your primary and secondary buttons. If you want to see how your changes look in real time, you can turn the toggle on for the example site. After you have customized everything to your liking, click on Publish Style. Finally, go to Layout and review and adjust the layout. Ensure everything is arranged as you want before going live. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.